In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add music to your iPhone 8 Plus from your computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily synchronize music to your iPhone using Finder on your Mac or alternatively on Windows. So first, if you have a Mac that you want to add the music from, all that you have to do is first connect your iPhone to your Mac, use the lightning cable to connect your iPhone to your Mac, and open Finder. Finder is the default file manager on your Mac. Now, select your iPhone, it should appear on the sidebar of Finder, click on it, and then in the sidebar, choose Music. One of the options is going to be Sync Music. You can choose to synchronize your entire music library or selected playlists onto the iPhone. And all that you have to do now is click the Sync button at the bottom right corner of the screen to start the synchronization process. As long as the iPhone 8 Plus was properly detected and you chose to synchronize either select few songs, playlists, or the entire library, they will be transferred over and you are good to go. Now, if you are using Windows, unfortunately, iTunes is no longer available in Windows. You can still use third-party software designed for transferring files between computers and iPhones. There are some popular options such as Sync.io or Sync.iOS and also iMazing. You can choose whichever one you prefer and they essentially do the same thing. They offer features that allow you to transfer or synchronize music, photos, videos, and more. So all that you have to do is open either of these third-party tools, connect your iPhone to your Windows PC, and choose the option to synchronize from there. They might require a purchase, so keep that in mind. Another important note is that Apple Music subscribers can access their music library directly on their iPhone without needing to sync it from a computer. So if you are just listening to songs from the actual Apple Music library, you don't have to worry about the synchronization. I hope I was able to help you on how to add music to iPhone 8 Plus from computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.